been working with small business owners, helping them find keywords to target to grow their business for a long, long time. And what's amazing is once you actually build a well-optimized website with an active blog, you will not believe the traffic that you start getting to your business right from your local market that is qualified to buy from your business, is looking for the exact products you sell or services that you offer. All you have to do is identify first and foremost the keywords that can lead to new business for you, and then use that keyword data to inform how you build your website. So if you're working with a web developer, share this keyword data with them and say, these are the types of keywords I want to build in my website. If you already have your website up and running, and hopefully you have a blog, this is where you use the blog to write blog articles that target these specific keywords. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, I talk about AI and YouTube optimization to make content that actually ranks for this. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I were a small business owner, potentially owning a landscaping business. That's the one I'm going to pretend to own. And I was thinking, okay, what do I need to do with my website? What blogs and what content and what pages on my website do I need to attract the most customers to my website and get it to rank the highest? So using SEMRush, let me show you exactly what this looks like. So I'm going to go into my organic keyword tool, which is here in SEMRush, and I'm going to search landscaping Denver because I'm pretending that I own a landscaping business. That means these are the keywords that I want to target. Now, what SEMRush is going to show me is how many people search that keyword in a given month, and you're going to be amazed at the volume. Did you realize just landscaping Denver, and this is why this is such an opportunity for almost every small business, there are 12,150 searches a month for people in the Denver area looking for a landscaper to help support their business. Now, here's the really good news. Not only is this volume here, but you can see that the content, the competitiveness is really low. So keyword difficulty is on a percentage scale in SEMrush. And if it's green, it means it's really easy. If it's yellow, it means it's possible. If it's red, it means it's really hard. But as I scroll through this list, you're going to see that most are green and yellow, meaning there's a huge opportunity if you own a landscaping business and you're watching this to start just doing exactly this thing. If you're any other type of local business owner, just type in what it is that you own or do, your type of business, and even your products, because you can replicate this process across all your products, across all your services, and see what keywords and what the volume is and how difficult they are to rank for. Now, what you want to do is actually go in here and add them to a list of keywords you're trying to target. So if I want to offer landscaping services, I might go here and just build one that's all the green, or I might build one that includes everything because I don't want to lose these. And this is where you build a keyword list. So landscaping Denver, I click on this little plus button, and you'll see that then I can click on this tab to see it was added to my Denver landscaping tab. So then I'm going to go through and I'm just going to add all of these to those tabs, right? Okay, I just added a bunch here. I went and clicked through. Now what I'm going to do is go over to my keyword manager, and I'm going to scroll down here, and here's my list right here of the ones that I picked through and added. And you can see affordable landscaping Denver, landscaping companies Denver, landscaping companies in Denver, Denver landscape services. All of these keywords are now there in my keyword list, residential, and I can see how hard they are to rank for and the volume. So just from the ones I picked, there are 3,520 searches a month. What I want to do is now go over here to the export tool and export this as a CSV. And you can see now, I'll move my little cursor. If I open this up, now I can see all of those keywords that I just picked. I can see the keyword difficulty, cost per click, if I want to actually bid on those using Google Ads, how competitive they are, number of results that are in the search, and then the intent, which is commercial. They want to hire somebody. Keyword difficulty, volume. Now I can take this list and I can share it with the web developer saying, these are the types of phrases I want to include in my landing pages. Not talking about keyword stuffing. Just make sure that you're adding context to your website, saying specifically that you offer landscaping in Denver. Now you can also use this information to generate blogs. So as you go through and you want to think about the blogs, you can target a blog saying, hey, residential landscaping in Denver, right? And you might want to say a blog article like, offering the best and most convenient and affordable residential landscaping in Denver, and write a whole blog about how you offer that, what you actually do and offer, knowing that you can target that keyword. And there's 140 potential customers who search that every single month. It's not that difficult to rank for it, and you have a good chance of your blog ranking on the first page of Google. So build that keyword list, share it with your developers, use it to inform your blogs, and don't just do it with the overarching name of your business. Make sure that you do it with all the different products or services. So if I was a landscaper, I'd say lawn mowing, tree shrub, all that. I'd check all of those and then contextualize them to my local market to make sure that I build all the content in my website and my blog and even my Google business profile that highlights that I am offering this exact service to help drive in all that traffic for those specific keywords that are highly likely to convert and hire from your business. If you like this video, hit that subscribe and like, because I'm just sharing ways to help your local business grow. I hope this helped, and we'll catch you in the next video where we're going to talk about ways to increase visibility using Google Business Profile and to capture more customers by creating this content fast and efficiently using AI. We'll talk to you soon.